Hope you're well. We're going to learn a really simple, easy blues guitar riff that we're going to play in a couple of minutes. It's going to go like this. Easy. So, you're going to take the little finger of your left hand, go under your guitar, you're going to pop it on that 5th fret, the first dot of the top E string, which is the top string here. You need to take the ring finger, which is this finger here, 4th finger, and pop it above there. Okay? Simple. Keep those there. Don't press down too hard because it hurts. Take the index finger of your right hand, the first finger, the middle finger of your right hand, which is the middle finger. And then you're going to pop the index finger on the B string, 2nd string up, and the middle finger there on your top E. And you're going to go index, middle, index. Then you're going to take this ring finger off the 5th fret and you pop the middle finger on the 4th fret of the B. And again, index, middle, index. Take that one off and pop the index finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Index, middle, index. Okay? So you've got these two here, so little and ring on the 5th fret. You're going to take the ring off and you're going to pop the middle on the 4th fret of the B. Then you're going to take the middle off and pop the index on the 3rd. So you're doing a rundown. Okay? And in the right hand, you're simply going index on the B, middle, index. So middle on the E. And then you're going to finish off with an A7. So you're going to take the index finger of the left hand. You're going to pop it there on the 2nd fret of the D string. Okay? And then you're going to take the middle finger of the left hand and you can pop it on the 2nd fret of the B string. Press down really hard. Take your thumb just from the A, not the E, but from the A. Press down really hard. 1, 2, 3. Woo!